The question says solve 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. This is under addition of fraction, and what we are meant to do is 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. We can just say multiply this and this, and also multiply this and this. So what we have is 3 times 2, that is 6, plus 4 times 1, that is 4. So over the LCM, we multiply this and this, or we multiply, so that will be 8. So what we have now is 6 plus 4, that is 10. So we have 10 over 8, and that will be equals to 2 here 5, 2 here 4. So we have 5 over 4, and that's equals to 1 over 4. Thank you.